feel like Shabuzi on this song will make this song go crazy. What is going on, my family tree? Welcome back to another video, and today we got Joyner Lucas, White Noise from the ADHD 2. Y'all thought I was gonna miss this? No. I'm a little late. No, I'm gonna be late for some things, but we're gonna react to this single. I don't know if this is just a song off the album. This ain't this. I don't know if this is the main single, but like, you know what I'm saying. From what I've heard, it's giving a little the ADHD song on the other album. It's giving the vibe. I feel like I'm dying inside. Like that song. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna check it out. White Noise. See what he talking about.
I've been breaking the night, can't sleep, rain tapping all on my windows, but them sounds make peace. Why do I love this white noise from my fucking AC? It'll distract me from the void and these things I can't see. Look, brain going on overdrive, and I might be going nuts. They don't understand my mind, but I don't think no one does. Feeling like my ankles tight, my legs is going numb. I've been down a million times, but I won't be slowing up. And now I'm diving rid of it deep, and what am I thinking? What is the reason? Laying in bed.
Hold on, we get a little rock tip on this, okay? Okay, it's a little country a little bit. Just a smidge, you know what I'm saying?
Feeling like my ankles tight, my legs is going numb. I've been down a million times, but I won't be slowing up. And now I'm diving rid of it deep, and what am I thinking? What is the reason? Laying in bed, I'm closing my eyes, I'm staying awake and stare at the ceiling. Scroll on my phone to look at TV and keeping myself from falling asleep. It's way too quiet, put in a fan to give me some noise to quiet the demons. My ADHD popping out. If I crank the system up, I hope the beat get louder now. My thoughts too loud, hope the speakers drown it out. Brain going 1,000 miles a minute, I ain't stopping now. Way too late and I can't think straight. It ain't my choice. Voices in my head, but it's my voice. Gotta drown it out.
Now, keep it so tall. This is a good song, but you know who would elevate this song? I'm gonna keep it a buck. You know who would elevate this song? Shabuzi. Here the butt with you. You know what I'm saying? That's not even like taking nothing away from Joyner. I feel like Shabuzi on this song will make this song go crazy. That's just me though. I accidentally muted the whole thing.
Out with some white noise, yeah. Said it's way too late to hallucinate. It ain't my choice. Try to block it out, but it's my voice. I gotta drown it out with some white noise, yeah.
I like everything in the background too, like all the inspirations. I noticed that. Don't think I didn't peep. I noticed that.
I've been breaking the night, can't sleep, rain tapping all on my windows, but them sounds make peace. Why do I love this white noise from my fucking AC? It'll distract me from the void and these things I can't see. Yeah, some nights when I'm by myself, I start to daydream, trying to think of something else, hoping that could save me. Wanna get some therapy, maybe that'll change me. If you ever felt like me, maybe I ain't crazy, and I wanna drive it up off this cliff when I just get so distracted. Can't get in my vibe on a night like this, I just don't know what's happening. Wanna take some mess, but I know that shit, but I have my soul.
Now, usually, I'm gonna be honest with you. The type of rapper is like, I'm crazy, I take meds, I take medication, the doctor doesn't diagnose me. That type of rap, it kind of gets old now. But the way Joyner's doing it is acceptable. Because I don't know if I'm pretty sure he actually has ADHD. But here's the thing. The way he's not making it seem corny to where like he's like, oh, like I'm so different because I have ADHD and my life's the worst ever. No, there's some songs where he's like, it actually helps me because I have ADHD. You know what I'm saying? So fuck with it.
I get in my head and see some shit you probably won't imagine. My ADHD popping out. If I crank the system up, I hope the beat get louder now. My thoughts too loud, hope the speakers drown it out. Brain going 1,000 miles a minute, I ain't stopping now. Way too late and I can't think straight. It ain't my choice. Voices in my head, but it's my voice. Gotta drown it out with some white noise, yeah. Said it's way too late to hallucinate. It ain't my choice. Try to block it out, but it's my voice. I gotta drown it out with some white noise, yeah. I can't think straight. It ain't my choice.
Yeah, this is dope. This is dope. I hope, maybe, I don't know if this is just a song, but I do hope it's not a whole rock album, which I don't think it is. Knowing Joyner Lucas, because he switches up everything. So, but I do like this rockish feel to it. So that's dope. You know what I'm saying?
Choice. Voices in my head, but it's my voice. I gotta drown it out with some white noise. Yeah.
I don't know. Now you know that little ass mic was not making no noise. What we doing?
It ain't my choice. Voices in my head, but it's my voice. I gotta drown it out with some white noise.
I just realized how little this mic was. You know that wasn't making no thump. Y'all said I'm just trying to get to 8 minutes. How'd you know? Shout out to Joyner, man. Shout out to Joyner Lucas. Like, if y'all want me to react to the album when it comes out, all you gotta do is 2 things. Like the video and comment down below. And if you want to do the 3rd thing, subscribe, because we're gonna react to it regardless. But let me get some likes also. All right, till next time, peace out.